Hello everyone, I am Rahul and today in this video we are about to discuss how can we improve our English communication skills by studying. So let's get a start. When we are talking to studying, so you must know what is studying. Studying is learning technique where you listen native speakers and immediately repeat what they say. You can imitate their pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. It is effective way to improve your speaking skills as well as listening skills. So in this video, I am going to giving some tips and tricks that you can improve your English communication skills as well as you can improve your pronunciation, intonations, and most important thing is that listening skills. So let's get a start. Before starting studying, we must have some idea which content should we choose, because it is most important thing is that to choosing your content. So when you are starting to listening and studying, so firstly you have to choose right material. Simple start. We have to start from simply. Begin with material, match your level. So, firstly, you must know your level. What's your level? And when you match your level, so you can start from short dialogues, simple podcast, and YouTube videos. So, this will also help you a lot to choosing the right content, because if you choose wrong content it means that your content is not matching to your capacity, so you can't do studying, you can't imitate. So what to imitate? You have to imitate their word, pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. That you can choose like content by spoken by native speaker, news reports, interview, and speeches. So I give you suggest, if you choose speeches, that is very beneficial, because speakers speak properly with stress and so many things, but you have to know your level. It is most important thing is that. Second is that listen first. So when we are starting studying, you don't have to start firstly. No, firstly you have to listen. We have to listen firstly, and after that, before starting show, you can take some times to being familiar that content and their word, because from starting it can't be happen that you can start to studying. No, it is not possible. So you can be familiar, and after that you have to speak properly. Focus on pronunciation. Pay attention to speakers' stress, use their intonation, and the way to translation between sound and word. So you have to know about that particular thing. Third thing is that start slowly. Begin with slow. Start material where speaker is speaking slowly and repeat each word, sentence, like phrase, and ensuring imitating the pronunciation and intonation slowly. So if we start to speakers, that I have suggest you that if you start to speakers, those are speaking slowly, you can get more comfortable and you will have much and much idea how to imitate and how to pronounce their word properly. You can increase your speed gradually, like as you improve, move on to faster, such as regular conversation, faster paced content like talk shows and debate. So you can also after that listen debates and talk show, because it is little bit faster. Fourth is that repeats in small chunks. Break into the audio some segment. Start shadow from a small part, such as single sentence or phrase, and repeats them till you feel comfortable with pronunciation. If you are not able to pronouncing their word properly, you can repeat many times, and when you get satisfied, so you can have the confident. And once you become master in that segment, shading larger chunks till you can shadow entire audio smoothly. So you have to take. Fifth point is that focus on pronunciation and intonation. Mimic the native speakers. Copy the way of native speaker, their stress level, the pitch of their voice, as well as how they link word. Intonation pattern are just important as word themselves. So you can also match the rhythm, like try to imitate rhythm and flow of native speaker to sound more natural. You can have more benefit. Six is that use subtitle and transcript if necessary. So following along, if you find certain hard understand, use transcript subtitle to follow the audio while shadowing. So once you become the comfortable, you can remove subtitle from video, and you can also do shadowing really entirely your listening skills. So how this tips and tricks, please tell me in comment box. Yes, and if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe this channel, and you have to share this video. Thank you very much. Thanks for